Today we are finally sharing our temporary house tour or temporary living space, whatever you want to call it. For those that are new here or don't know, this is my husband Joshua. We recently just sold our house. We live in my parents' basement now. We do not have a house yet. So we are on the hunt, and while we're hunting for our house, we're gonna live here. So you can just call me Basement Abby now. So this is obviously the stairs, right when you
down to our basement.
I actually did a tour years ago of the house I grew up in. So there's actually a full tour on my channel of my parents' entire house already. But this is just kind of what it looks like, the basement, at least with our stuff in it. So a lot of things are gonna look familiar. First, right when you come down the stairs, there's this pinball machine. We've had this pretty much my whole life. And I've gotta say, I think Joshua is more obsessed with it than anyone. You don't need to play it right now. It's so loud.
Boom, that's me.
There he is. This Joshua's favorite activity to do here at the house is play pinball.
It's very loud, so.
This is our makeshift kitchen over here. So right when we moved in, I guess, we got this little mini fridge from Sam's Club.
Yep.
Got the Keurig on it, so that way in the morning I can just get up, get the coffee. The dog's food is refrigerated food, so it's all in there. And then this is our dining room table that was at our house. So I think I told you guys in a different video, a lot of like our nicer, more expensive furniture I actually wanted to bring here and not put in the storage unit. And this was from West Elm. We paid a little bit more money for it, so I wanted to bring it here. So yeah, this is just kind of our little kitchen, I guess. This room right here was actually just like an empty storage room here at my parents' house. They don't really use it for anything. They had these mats already here, and then Joshua and I just moved all of our weightlifting equipment in here. So
Not all of it.
Yeah, some of it, yeah, some of it isn't in here, but you know, this is where we get a good pump in.
Yes.
So at our new house though, we have big plans for like a weight room and all that stuff. We're very excited. This is just kind of like the main family room area. Pretend this sofa over here just isn't here. This is our super, super old IKEA couch. Dude, what are you doing?
Dude, you trying to lift weights?
Where are you going? We do want to get rid of this. Are you paying attention to me?
Yeah, he's just freaking out. Where's his toy?
Bandit has both of the toys.
Bandit has both toys. Dude, you get your toy?
Okay,
Bandit has them.
So, yeah, just pretend that's not there. Pool table. And these are our West Elm sofas from our main little living room at our house. So, it actually is kind of like a similar setup to what we had in our family room at our house, like with the fireplace, TV, and the sofas. And then Joshua and I don't have an office here, so this is our little office over in that corner over there with both of our computers. So that's what we're working with for now. We actually have plenty of space, which is really nice. Over here, these are my little Target chairs. It's actually kind of fun to see my furniture in a totally different space, because this is like my parents' stuff right here, but I feel like the furniture kind of works with it and it looks cute. And then over here, Joshua and I aren't really using this space over here, but I'll show you guys really quick. There's just a bedroom over here, and it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. We can walk through it.
Those are my trophies from winning a fishing tournament.
But my parents actually recently put quartz countertops in this bathroom, and I think it just looks really, really, really pretty. So love that. And then there's another bedroom. What are you doing? Dude, are you trying to steal the show? This is supposed to be my show. Yeah, this is another bedroom over here.
What?
Dude, come on. I'm very needy today. Okay, so I will now take you guys to the side of the house where Joshua and I are really living. Our room, our bathroom. So down this hallway, this was actually my bedroom growing up in my bathroom, so it's kind of funny, like feel like I'm sort of going back in time. So this is our bathroom that we're using, and then I clearly don't have enough storage. So this is what we have going on in the hallway. Just a random little shelf I put here because clearly I have way too many products, and this bathroom just wasn't gonna be big enough for all my stuff.
Welcome to luxury.
To luxury. So this probably looks familiar.
That was mounted over the fireplace.
Yep.
So that's now in here.
Dude is really just
into this video.
This is literally our exact bedroom at our house. So it's kind of funny, but it all fits in here perfectly. And if you guys didn't know, this is a chalkboard.
It's for sale if anyone wants to buy it.
Yeah. I took some pictures so my parents could put that on Facebook Marketplace. So anyway, yeah, this is really our bedroom. If you guys saw a recent video, we literally had sheets over the windows because my parents didn't have blinds in this room because it wasn't being used. So we just got some blinds. It's pretty nice. Home Depot. Over here, this is our closet. This is actually why we chose this room out of the 3 bedrooms downstairs, because this room has the biggest closet, and it was my room growing up. It's just like bigger. It was really the best room. But this is our closet with all of our clothes in it. For some reason, dude wants to be in here too.
All Abigail's and then mine.
Really looks a lot how it looked when I was a teenager, and this was my closet. Dude, oh my gosh.
Okay, let's go show them where you go play outside.
Where you go play outside? Let's go outside.
Oh, I almost got that fly. It's been in here all day.
Oh.
Come on, let's go outside. This is the outside area. Go on, go on, go on. Bandit, do you want to come out? Come on. Okay. You got one of them. So it's really, really pretty out here. It was kind of raining earlier, so everything's a little wet. But as you guys can see, we brought over our patio furniture, and love that. And yeah,
That's it.
That's pretty much it. Yeah. So the dogs, they have been getting a lot better about swimming in the pool, but I really feel like throwing this toy in there.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh.
He knows. He knows
I'll
we're
get
on
the
to
other
him.
one. Ready? Get it. Get it, dude. You got it. Go get it. Go get it. You got it.
Good boy.
Good
Go
boy.
get it. He's gonna
Good
do
boy.
it. Good boy. He's
There you go.
swimming. Oh, okay.
Got it though.
That was a really good shot. Okay.
I'll get it for you.
So that is our temporary... Okay, so that is our temporary tour of the basement situation right now. Hope you guys enjoyed just kind of seeing where we're hanging out for now. Scenery's gonna be a little bit different for videos in the meantime, so yeah, dude is still trying to take over this video, pushing me out of the way. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you really soon in the next video.